Welcome back children to lesson number 5, the wonderful world of Bholu. Children, in my last video you learnt about aquatic animals. Let's have a quick revision. Aquatic animals are the animals which live in water. Some examples of aquatic animals are snail, shark, octopus, fish, crabs, turtles, etc. Today we will learn about some more types of animals. Now children, Bholu has walked from pond to a tree and there he finds a squirrel and he starts a conversation with it. Oh Chinchi squirrel, are you fine over there? Would you please come down to play with me? So now the Bholu requests squirrel to come down and play with him. Then the squirrel says, yes, certainly. Then Bholu asks, can you get down from the tree and live on land? So Bholu was having doubt that fish didn't come out from the water. How can the squirrel can come down to the land? Then the squirrel says, sure, why not? I can live on land. I make nest on tree. Then Bholu says, wow, you are very good. See, Mintu fish tells that it can live in water only. So now Bholu complains that the fish didn't come out from the water to play with me, but you are very good. You will come down from tree and you will play with me. It's true about fish, Bholu. She can only live in water as the water is the home for it. Fishes live in water. If they come out from water or if they are being taken out from water, they will die. So, fish then come out from water. So, now the Bholu says, so can you not live in water? Then the squirrel say, no Bholu, I cannot live in water. We live on land, so we cannot live in water because we cannot breathe in water. So children, as you learned in our last video about aquatic animals, that they live in water, in the same way some animals are there which live on land but spend most of their time on trees. Children, the animals which live on land but spend most of their time on trees are known as arboreal animals. Movements such as climbing, swinging or gripping on trees are examples of arboreal adaptation, and animals adapted to this kind of locomotion are called arboreal animals. Examples of arboreal animals are squirrels, koalas, bats, monkeys, leopards, chameleon, etc. Now children, the characteristics of arboreal animals. Land animals that live mostly on trees are called arboreal animals. That means these animals are land animals but they mostly live on trees only. They have sharp claws to climb up and down the branches and usually have strong muscular limbs and a tail for holding on to the branches. So children, because of all these characteristics, these animals are able to climb from one tree to another. Children, I hope you all understood what are arboreal animals. Children, we will meet in my next video with some more types of animals. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.